anything in the water in Tubumana?
No.
No? No snake?
Just sometimes. Yeah.
No, only snake. Yeah.
No, just fish, small fish.
Oh, small fish. Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah, that one, the other waterfalls.
See, this is traditional. I like this. I like this a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, so it looks like we are here at Tubumana Waterfall. Let's check this place out. Alright, so this is what you get when you're walking to the waterfall. Some early stage rice fields. Gianyar already. So Tubumana Waterfall is in a region called Gianyar, which I believe is outside of Ubud regionally. And you get a much more local feel. So I would definitely recommend this place. Ubud is very touristy, at least in the center. So if you want a local feel, definitely come check this place out. Let's see what this is up here. Some kind of temple, or what used to be a temple. More rice fields. Look at the inside of this temple. Very, very cool. Looks like some kind of hat. I might need one of those. Hello. How much for a hat? Is that for a man?
Yeah.
For man? Yeah? Okay.
Women, okay, follow this one.
Let's see. For this one? Yeah? 100? Can I try? Can I try? Yeah? Oh, small, yeah? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Ooh, big head. Huge head. Let's pay this woman. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're a traditional Balinese man. Gonna work in the rice field. So here we go. All right, continuing down to the waterfall. Come here.
Yeah.
They know nice to you, huh? I'm nice to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You happy because we come here?
Oh, I'm happy
Yeah?
you come here.
Say hello, yeah?
Yeah.
Your
Say
name?
hello, my name is Dana.
Dana. Noah.
Yeah.
Noah.
Noah.
Yeah.
With you, Noah.
You like my hat? My
Yeah,
hat.
of
Traditional Balinese hat.
Balinese
Yeah.
hat.
So now I can work in the rice field.
Yeah.
What do you have in here?
Yeah, we have
This is some corn.
corn,
Corn,
Any-
some bintang.
any kind of fruit.
Ah, okay. I buy a Coke from you. How much for a Coke?
Coca?
Yeah, please.
Coca-Cola, original or
Original, please. Original.
by bottle of can?
Bottle is great, man. Bottle is great. How much?
Yeah. You want to, on the way you can visit again here? You pay all together later?
Oh, no, I pay now.
Yeah.
How much?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Tip?
Oh yeah, thank
Tip
you.
for you? Good.
Thank you.
Okay, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
See you.
Where do you come from?
USA.
USA.
Yeah.
United States.
Yes.
Your name?
Noah.
Noah.
Yes.
My name Dana.
Donna. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
Okay.
We see you later.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? You have what? Oh, swing. Maybe when we come up. Yeah, maybe when we come up. Okay. If you're not talking to local people, you ain't living, huh? Well, Monica, she feels a little sick. I'm honestly over it. The car ride up here was How hard was that? That was rough, right? Yeah, like she's pretty sick. She said it was kind of like a boat ride, and I think if I didn't look up at the road, I probably would be just as sick. But you were looking at the road too, right? So I don't know. But I'll start recording back when we're closer to the waterfall, guys. Why's everything got to be so steep in Indonesia, huh? Everything is steep and wet. Whew. What is this? Hello?
Hi.
Hey, man. Oh, wow. What is this? This is very cool. All right. Is this the waterfall or is this a smaller one? I think this is a smaller one. Really pretty already. Wow, the scenery here is amazing. Really, really amazing scenery. So this is just a small one on your way up to the main waterfall. But the aesthetics of this place are amazing. I mean, if you just check out some of these flowers. Really, really cool. All right, let's cross this bridge. Ooh, this is actually, this does not feel that stable. Stable enough, put it that way. Okay. All right, we made it to the water. What do you think?
Nice.
Wow. It's almost like a shower. Have you ever seen like a shower head that kind of has that mode? It's a really clean waterfall, right? The shape of it. There it is. It's surrounded by dense brush too. So it looks like people swim here. I'm a little worried about parasites because I already think I have some parasites. But you gonna swim? No? We might swim. I feel like we're here, we probably could. And you have a towel here, right? So we do have a towel. And this guy's making it look very appetizing, swimming around in there. We're gonna have to do a dip, I think. Let's go. Alright, let's take a little dip. Hopefully it's not too deep and I ruined this camera, but ooh, it's a little chilly, but not too bad. And it's actually pretty shallow in here. So. Wow, this is pretty nice. So I don't know if there's snakes in here, then that's just how it is. I doubt it though. There are a lot of people in here. So let's give it a shot. That feels nice. Oh, some kind of butt stuff here. Okay. Let's go back to Monica and actually go, and I'm gonna actually swim around in here. All right, so my new friend, what's your name?
My name is Made Mudana.
Made Murana.
Yes.
Noah. And Noah.
Noah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So he says that the water gets up to where? Can you show me? Yeah.
Okay.
So he says the water gets up to this high? This high?
Yeah, just that. Sometimes they have rain, water up until there. So we are close now.
Ah.
Yeah.
So all the way up here.
Yeah. All over there.
Oh, wow.
We are close now.
And can that happen fast? Very fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. With the rain coming down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it goes all the way up there.
Yeah.
Wow. So what that means is if you come here alone, yeah,
Yeah.
it could happen fast
Yes.
in a flash flood. In the U.S., that happens sometimes too. In the United States, the rain come down. And
Yeah, water.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's dangerous.
Dangerous. Very dangerous.
Sometimes. So
Sometimes.
be careful. You need to listen to him. Listen to him.
Kemarin we are close.
Yeah. Listen.
One is Putu,
Okay.
number 2 Made, number 3 Komang, and the last 4 Ketut. 4
Oh.
names in Bali.
For men. For men.
4 names.
4 names.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Made, Wayan Made, Komang Ketut.
Oh.
Yeah, 4 names.
So 4 names for men in Bali.
Yeah, in Bali.
And his name is Made.
And
So
the
it's-
second child.
Second child.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like that name. It's a good
Yeah.
name.
Same with my friend,
Yeah?
Made too.
Oh, Made Made. Made Made.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is the hat? The
This is Udang.
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 And that is what religion?
Yeah, we have Hindu religion.
Hindu religion.
Yeah.
Ah. Balinese. We
Normally
saw.
we have pray on the temple like this,
Yeah.
but not this color, white color.
White color.
Yeah. Wood white color, Udang white color.
We saw last night. We saw Kachak dance or Kachak fire. You know?
Oh, Kachak.
Yeah, yeah. Very cool. Is it similar or same religion? Yeah?
Same religion,
Same
Hindu.
religion. Yeah. Very cool. Well, thank you guys for talking to
thank
me.
you.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Mare mare.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we start heading up, I wanted to show this. So this is called, at least in Arizona and throughout the U.S., Native American tribes will call these kachina dolls. And there's some spiritual relevance there, or significance rather. And here we see the same thing. You place rocks on top of each other, starting from big, flat ones to smaller and smaller and smaller. But you'll see stuff like this in Sedona, Arizona, and I think some other places as well, wherever you have a large native population. And then next to this, you have the traditional Hindu offering that you usually see in Bali and other Hindu regions of the world. So pretty interesting to see both of these here. Monica's a little hesitant to go into the shower. Looks a little, it's not 5-star, that's for sure. But let's see what this is. They have some shower story ready after you get into the spot. Yeah, it's a little rough around the edges. Check it out. I get why you don't want to come in here. What's this one? Are we getting better? No. Yeah, I think I'm good too.
You're good?
Yeah. Let's head back up. Whew. I feel like a shame. I feel like a fraud. I'm wearing the hat. I didn't go into the shower. It is what it is. Let's head back up. I actually changed my mind. I'm going to do the shower. Gotta shower my feet off. You make the coffee, huh?
Yes.
The Balinese
So what do
coffee.
you, oh, this is Balinese coffee.
Yeah, Balinese coffee. A little sugar.
Okay. A little sugar.
And this coffee.
It's strong.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Strong.
So some sugar, some
Yeah.
and some hot water. Yeah.
Hot water. Okay, ready.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
All right, we're making our way out of here, and look at these. What are those? What do you think they're?
I don't know.
I don't know either. With some really pretty leaves, water. It's like a rainforest in here. But this is the trek up. Pretty steep. Okay, actually, before we head out, we're told there's a river down here. You can actually see it. I'll show you in a minute. Instead of turning left down to the waterfall, if you just keep going straight down the stairs, you'll see this. You have these moss-lined stairs. Beautiful, right? And they lead to a shrine and a really cool river. Look at that. Looks like some guys are fishing over here.
What's kind of that?
Must be some fish. If the locals are over here fishing. It's a bit slippery. Yeah, let's go down. These rocks are a little sketched up. Now the hike back up, more steep stairs, right? Hello. 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 Looks like some kind of rock. Buckets of rocks on their head. I'm not sure why they would.
Because they're making a path down there. With
Oh, okay. That makes sense. We're gonna try some Balinese coffee. Check it out. Hello. How are you? Yeah, can we sit over there? Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Vegetarian food or non-vegetarian
Oh, okay.
food, yeah.
Could I try one Balinese coffee?
Okay, with sugar or non-sugar?
How do usually Balinese people
Not sugar, black, only black, yeah?
like that? Perfect.
Not sugar, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so we're trying Balinese coffee. I think that's what we got for breakfast at the villa, right? I thought that was tea, but I think that was actually Balinese coffee. But we'll see. We'll see what it's like. But rice-field view after Tibumana. If you want to check this place out, it's really good. The view, at least, I haven't had anything from there yet, but I'm sure it's good. Thank you very much. Okay, let's try this Balinese coffee. This is my first time. So let me explain what this looks like. So pretty much looks like really strong instant coffee. I think what they do, well, actually our friend over there, Made, showed that he just pours some coffee grounds, some hot water, and then put sugar. But she said the traditional way Balinese usually drink this is without sugar and black. So I'm giving it a shot. Ooh, that's really good. That's like a It is kind of sweet though.
Really?
Even though, here, try it. No? Okay. It's kind of sweet, even though there's no sugar, so that's a little weird. Really good coffee. So, we're talking about some really strong coffee, look. Very, very, very strong. So I guess you're supposed to do this a little bit before. Okay, you have taxi?
Taxi?
Taxi, yeah?
Car?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Let me show you. It's Bobby Guling.
Babi Guling?
Yeah, yeah. The this place, Warung Bobby Guling. You know?
Pandegi, okay?
This one? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
It's,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
you know,
yes.
you know. It's
Yes.
good. Good food.
Good,
Good food, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes.
How much?
You know apa man? Pandegi. XT.
Huh?
80,000.
80,000?
Okay.
80 good. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, 80
Yes.
good. Yes.
Bila 80
Taxi.
ko rin. Okay,
Huh?
okay.
You with them? Okay, good. Let's go.
What from here?
Yeah, yeah. Car, yeah? Car? You have car? Yeah, okay, perfect.
This what from here?
Oh, okay, sure. Alright, so we're heading out of the waterfall and we're going to this Bobby Guling place, which is that suckling pig. It's a traditional Indonesian dish, or a Balinese dish, I should say, and we're gonna give that a shot. So, just got a cab now for 80,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is less than $3. That's actually expensive for this trip, but we're kind of stuck here. So, gotta do what you gotta do, but really cheap, even if you're paying tourist prices. Okay, here's the car. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
Can I sit in front? Is that okay?
Nah. Babi Guling first, and then I can wait for you there, and then back to Ubud. Okay for you?
We were gonna be 80 here, yeah? 80,000
Yeah.
to Gyanma, or to Bobby Guling.
Yeah.
So if we have maybe an hour there,
Yeah.
and then you take us to the night market, maybe how much?
Okay, to the night market, not Ubud.
Not Ubud, no.
You not stay in Ubud?
No, we go to a night market, and then done.
Oh, and then.
Yeah.
So, wait.
Because 8 minutes from Bobby Guling to night market. So total 20, but then you wait an hour.
Yeah.
How much you think?
Maybe 135.
120, good?
Yeah.
Okay, 120. Bobby Guling is suckling pig, yeah?
Yes, exactly.
We're at Warung Bobby Guling in Gyanma. I'm not sure actually where this place is. Maybe it's just down here somewhere. Check. Rice field right here. Right on the side. Really beautiful scenery around here. Some fresh coconuts. Kitchen back there. And this is where you get in. So let's give this place a shot. So we got some traditional daleman, and I don't know what's at the bottom, but it's some kind of coconut. It's a traditional Indonesian Balinese drink. Something at the bottom. Some, what is that, mint? What does that look like to you? Mint? No? I don't know what that is. Some kind of green thing and something at the bottom. So let's give it a shot. I wonder if I'm supposed to mix it. Yeah. Okay. Let's mix this up. Oh, look, let's check this out. What is this right here? Still not sure what this... Oh, it's some kind of gelatin or something.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Maybe some kind of seaweed? I don't know. Let's try. That's not my favorite. Well, you live and you learn, but I'm not gonna lie and say I like that. And she's laughing at me. You wanna try? No? You wanna try? I'll try one more time because maybe I have it all wrong. I don't know.
I think you only get the bottom when you do that.
Oh wait. Okay, hold on. No, not my favorite because it's salty and very sweet though at the same time. So, and that gelatin is almost like it's not like a mochi kind of gelatin. It's more of a like slimy, kind of slimy. So it's slimy, milky, sweet, and very salty. It's a no-go for me. Thank you. What is this?
This is sauce.
Okay, what is this one?
Regular part. This is the original sauce. This is for barbecue. Just mix this one.
Mix.
Meat.
Okay.
Yes, but little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy. Okay, and this.
If spicy, you can add this one.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy your food.
Okay.
This one, guys.
Thank you very much. Okay, so we got our babi guling. Now, what is it? It's a national dish of, well, I don't think you would call it a national dish. It's a really popular dish in Bali, and it's suckling pig. And so you have the pork here, you have the pork skin. It's kind of like in Spain, you can get suckling pig. In Madrid, there's a famous place that I went to that had something very similar, just on the meat side of things. But there's some rice, there's something here, some green, and then they give you some kind of side. So let's try it. Some rice, some meat, and some of the stuff that she recommended here. Seems like a pretty good bite here. So let's give it a shot. Whoa. That's really, really spicy. But really, really good. The flavor is amazing in it. The crispiness of this is a really good element of this. The pork is pretty lean. You have some fattier pieces, but it's pretty lean. Rice is perfect. Really, really good. What do you think? Good? This is the, I don't know what you would say. I think this is the pork that comes with the skin. And then they do something else to the pork where it's like this, right? And this is actually amazing. The flavor is really good. Have you tried this one yet? This one's really, really good. So let me show you the sauce up close. The sauce up close is really, really good. It's very oily, really fragrant. Maybe there's some kind of fish sauce in there, I don't know, but I really like the sauce. So let's try this. Kind of have both kinds of meat. Let's try. It's really good. I gotta say, this is not like anything I've tried before, right? It's very unique. It tastes very, very different. It doesn't taste like Indian food. It doesn't taste like any other kind of Asian food I've tried. It's totally new. Totally new flavors going on. So that was warung babi guling, and man, that was really good. Really, really spicy, really fragrant food, and unlike anything I've ever tried before, so I definitely recommend.